Have you ever felt like your digestive system was just stuck? That heavy, sluggish feeling after a meal isn't just uncomfortable, it's a sign that your body is working overtime to process what you've eaten. For centuries, cultures in Central America and Southeast Asia have turned to one specific fruit to solve this, the papaya. Christopher Columbus famously called the papaya the fruit of the angels, and while he likely meant its flavor, modern science has discovered that its true angelic quality lies in how it treats your digestive tract. Today, we'll explore how papaya acts as a natural cleanser for your gut and why it is a must-have for your daily routine. The power of papain. The secret to the papaya's digestive power is a unique enzyme called papain.1. This isn't just any enzyme. Papain is so effective at breaking down tough fibers and tissues that it has been used as a natural meat tenderizer for generations. 2. Inside your stomach, papain performs a similar task. It specifically targets proteins, the hardest macronutrients to digest, and breaks them down into smaller peptides and amino acids. 3. If you've ever eaten a heavy meal of meat or beans and felt immediate bloating, your body was likely struggling to dismantle those protein chains. Papain acts as a biological assistant, speeding up this chemical breakdown so the food doesn't sit and ferment in your stomach, which is the primary cause of gas and discomfort. Ending constipation and improving motility. One of the most significant benefits of papaya is its role in gut motility. For this is the term for how quickly and smoothly waste moves through your intestines. Papaya is a gentle fruit. Unlike harsh chemical laxatives, papaya provides a combination of water and soluble fiber that adds bulk to your stool while softening it. 5. When the papain enzyme clears the initial traffic jam in the stomach, the fiber in the papaya ensures that the rest of the journey through the colon is smooth and regular. 6. For anyone struggling with chronic constipation, eating papaya daily can train the intestines to move waste out more predictably, preventing the buildup of toxins and reducing the risk of long-term colon issues. A clean gut means better nutrition. We often focus on what we eat, but we rarely focus on absorption. You could eat the most expensive organic diet in the world, but if your gut is coated in undigested waste and inflammation, you aren't absorbing those nutrients effectively. A clean gut is like a clean sponge, it's ready to soak everything up. By clearing out the sludge in your digestive tract, papaya helps expose the lining of your small intestine, the villi, where nutrient absorption actually happens. This means the vitamins from your other foods, like iron, magnesium, and healthy fats, can actually reach your bloodstream and fuel your energy levels. Immunity. The gut-body connection. About 70% to 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. 7. When your digestion is poor, your immune system is distracted, constantly dealing with inflammation in the digestive tract. Papaya supports your immunity in two ways. First, it provides a massive dose of vitamin C and vitamin A, both essential for white blood cell production. Second, by keeping the gut clean, it allows your immune system to focus on fighting external viruses and bacteria rather than internal inflammation. Regular consumption acts as a shield, helping you stay resilient against common colds and seasonal illnesses. 8. The best way to consume papaya. To get the 5-minute benefit out of your papaya, timing is everything. The morning ritual. Eating papaya on an empty stomach in the morning is the best way to wake up your digestive enzymes and prep your gut for the day. 9. The post-meal aid. If you've had a particularly heavy dinner, a few slices of papaya act as a natural digestive supplement. A note on ripeness. Ensure the skin is transitioning from green to yellow. A slightly soft touch indicates that the papain levels are at their peak. And remember, avoid adding refined sugar. The natural fructose in the fruit is all your body needs. Conclusion. Papaya is more than a tropical treat. It is a gentle, natural architect for your internal health. By breaking down food, moving waste, and freeing up your immune system, it allows your body to function at its highest potential. Next time you feel that familiar bloat or heaviness, skip the pharmacy aisle and head to the produce section. Grab a papaya, let nature's enzymes do the heavy lifting, and experience what it's like to feel truly light and healthy again.